Dear children, welcome to another brand new episode of Utkarsh English classes. Children, here we have some beautiful video clips for you. Let us watch these clips. Now, can you say what are the women doing here? Who are there in this video and what are they doing? What is the dog doing in this clip? What can you see here in this video? The answers to these questions may be as follows. In the first video, the women are dancing. In the second video, the birds are flying in the sky. In the third clip, the dog is barking. And of course, in the fourth one, it is raining heavily. Now, notice the underlined words in these sentences. These are dancing, are flying, is barking, and is raining. Can you find anything common in them? Yes, these all are known to be the verb groups or verbal elements. There is a be verb in the beginning and an action word at the end. Now, look at these action words: dancing, flying, barking, and raining. These have been formed by adding ing to the base form of the verbs, such as dancing, dance plus ing, flying, fly plus ing, barking, bark plus ing, and of course, rain plus ing. Dear children, you must be knowing about the different aspects of present tense, such as the simple present, the continuous or progressive, the perfect, and the perfect continuous. Now, can you guess which aspect do the sentences belong to? Yes, it is present continuous or present progressive. ବକ୍ତା କହିବା ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ଚାଲିଥିବା ଘଟଣା ବା କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧରେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିବା ସକାଶେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସିଭର ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଏ. Now look at this sentence. The man is walking. Can you say which form the sentence is in? Yes, it is an affirmative or positive sentence. Can you make it negative? It is simple, isn't it? You have to just put a not after the be verb, which is in this case. So, the negative form of this sentence will be the man is not walking. Can you make these sentences in present progressive form negative? The boy is waiting at the door. She is sleeping now. The cats are fighting. He is singing a song. Of course, the negatives will be like this. The boy is not waiting at the door. She is not sleeping now. The cats are not fighting. And he is not singing a song. Dear children, mark the use of not in the above sentences. not is used after the be verb, that is am, and are. Now, dear children, can you turn the sentence? The man is walking into a question sentence, that is an interrogative one. Very good. It will be, is the man walking? So what did we do here? We just brought the be verb to the beginning of the sentence, keeping other parts of the sentence at their places. So what will be the interrogative forms of these sentences? Very good. The interrogatives will be like this. Children, did you mark that in interrogative sentences, the full stop is replaced by a question mark? Dear children, the sentences we have discussed above describe the present situation. But what about describing continuing situations in the past, which are incomplete? Very good. We use past progressive form of the verb. So past progressive is formed with the past form of the be verb, that is was and were, and adding ing to the action verb. Now look at these sentences. The man is tired. He was plowing the field. The field is wet now. It was raining heavily yesterday. I was writing letters to my friend on Sunday morning. The underlined sentences are few examples of past progressive aspects. Now, dear children, let us discuss worksheet 23 of your Utkarsh English Students Handbook. You have been provided with a beautiful song. First, read the song and answer the questions that follow.